Day 3. We're off to the Seven Wonders Waterfall with our driver. G'day. Is that how you pronounce it?
Yes, good day.
G'day. But where are we going, did you say?
To North Bali, north side. It's like around 3 hours from here. And we call Lost Tour.
Lost Tour?
Yeah.
So arrived at a coffee plantation and swing. Major schoolboy error this morning. Battery went flat.
And Arabica coffee. And this one is Luwak coffee. This is the poo.
Is that washed? Is that washed?
Yeah.
Cat poo coffee.
Which one is the poo? This one?
Smell that.
Oh, that's after.
Yeah.
Ah.
You smell it?
Smells good.
I think it doesn't smell.
Right.
Go on, Chanel. About the, what were we saying about the random coffees and teas?
Very interesting.
It's the best one, Joanne.
Bali coffee and what was this one?
Vanilla.
Vanilla. That was a one. I do like the teas, but they're a bit sweet. Yes, Matthew. I've got to get Chanel as well in a sec.
Cat poo coffee.
Go on, Shane, you try it.
Nice. Hold on.
Oh, wow. Really smooth.
Lift it. Try it.
Face!
I got that as well. What are you saying, Chanel? No?
Not for you, eh? Hi? Like it, huh?
Very strong, it's nice.
Gotta be honest, don't think I've got the minerals. How you feeling, Kai?
Good. If these are tight. This is good material, isn't it? Okay.
Okay, ready?
Oh God!
Oh, yeah. That's alright.
Oh, I don't like it. Not high. Oh my God!
Just about to do the swing. Gonna let everyone into a secret here. I am petrified of heights. I can't say this is, oh my God. Ah! Oh, this is horrible. That's high enough. Ah! No more. No more. Oh my God. Wow. I must admit, I am physically shaking. Just got off the swing, not gonna lie, a little bit shaky still. Really good though, glad I did that. As I said earlier, petrified of heights, so fight those fears.
The face of worry. Look how scared she is. So scared.
That's a face of bricking it, look at her. She is bricking it already. I think you should give it, do a run up.
Right, not too high, please.
More big.
Before you go.
And this way, Chanel.
Back a little bit more. Yeah. Yeah, that'll do. Woohoo! No pushing.
Look at your face!
That'll do, thank you.
Got a little bit more. Just
No. He's gonna kill you. Right, Chanel.
My name is Ranga.
Ranga, he's just pushed us all off the side of a big hill over some fields. Cheers, my man. Pleasure. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Yep. Oh. So we've all just done the big swing. Me and Chanel, I must admit, were wimpy. So was Joe, actually. But Kai was quite funny. What do we reckon to the big swing then?
Swinging. It's good.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Worth it?
Yeah.
Pretty frightening. I didn't like it. This is our man Kutuk, is that right?
Yeah, Kutuk.
Kutuk, and he's our crazy tour guide for the day. Let's admit, this is pretty steep. Probably can't tell on the camera. This is flat. It's hot, steep. Believe it or not, this is a path. Absolutely stunning. Sort of rice fields here, sort of mixed in with a bit of jungle. Little house. And off to the water slide. Oh, must admit, I do not like heights. That looks good fun. It's not that big neither.
I could do that.
So Chanel's like me, she's a little bit nervous, bless her. Personally, I think she's doing better than me. In fact, I'm gonna have to stop recording, I can't record this. Switch to the GoPro. Wow! Oh, what was that? Did you get your arm? Oh.
That's very far, isn't it?
That last bit's wicked.
I just smashed my arm.
What do you reckon, Kai? Good. Here comes Joanne. Joe, hold your hands out. Hold your arms out.
I smashed my arm.
Did you?
Yeah.
No, you got to lift your arms up.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, she's gonna be so scared.
Oh, what do you reckon, Chanel?
Yeah.
Joanne?
It was good.
Yeah? Let's go for some more.
Last one.
Woohoo! Ah!
Oh. And I'm spent. So we've just done this canyon. Just rafted down there, pretty fun. A couple of bumps and bruises. Definitely most fun going down backwards.
If you need something or anything else, just let me know.
A bit of coffee and a Balinese cake.
Ah, you can see, this is ceremony. Ceremony in Bali.
So not too happy. Like an idiot. Went in the water with my GoPro without the cover of the USB ports. It's got a bit wet inside and now it doesn't work. So I can't fly my drone over this beautiful area. What are you saying, Joanne?
Try it, put all in.
Quite nice.
I think so, same. Every day
Yeah.
drink fresh coconut, I think it's good for your skin.
Scoop us a little bit.
Chanel did it as well.
Right. Mmm.
Chanel was doing it.
Kai, stop what you're saying. Ooh, it's livery so and so.
It's nice.
It's good.
Good.
I think so, same yogurt.
Yes.
Fake yogurt.
That's nice, that is.
Yeah, boy! Part of this trip was to help my fear of heights. Jumped off this little cliff. Probably, no, 12, 13 feet. Still, wouldn't normally have done that, but well enjoyed it. 1, 2, 3, go! Whoa! What are we saying, Kai?
Wow. They paid himself.
Feel like an explorer in this jungle today. Got the hat, reflective sunglasses. Been trekking for about 3 hours now. Must admit, starting to feel a bit tired. Off to the waterfall pools, yeah. So 400 steps. Going down looks alright, but coming up, uh-oh. Going down these steps is like going down a ladder. Oh, and a little bit honest, really don't like it. The only thing making me feel better right now is Kai's dad bod is on video. It's like a ladder, that. It's not a set of steps, I'm telling you now. What are we saying after those steps?
Rock and roll.
Not looking forward to going up, no? Check out that stunning waterfall. Wow, that is just beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Worth the 400 plus steps, I'll tell you now. Well, that's the Fiji waterfall just there. I have to say, these waterfalls are absolutely spectacular. What an amazing day. Pretty hungry now. Got the big climb of 400 steps. Not looking forward to that. So let's see how it goes. Oh, 60 steps in. A little bit tired even, look. Saddlebags over here. You strong?
Yeah, I'm strong.
Oh my god. Wow. Oh, time for a ladder. Well done, ladies. That's the first quarter done. Oh, here's some heavy breathing here. Look at that, it's like a ladder. Wow. Final bit. A few casualties along the way, might see them. There they are. I can see the flags. Oh my god. Victory! Just refueled on some rice and chicken and some Coca-Cola. Now off to ride the bikes back to the beginning. Could be fun.
Ready? Whoa, make a video.
Here we go.
Go.
Woo! Like Maverick and Goose.
Oh yeah.
Here he is. Woohoo! Yeah! This is our crazy man.
Oh yeah. Thank you.
Love this man. Great. If you ever want a tour, let this man take you on it. He was brilliant. Great day today. Saw some unbelievable sights. Hope you enjoyed the video. I'll link down the bottom somewhere the tour guides we used. The only negatives, I may have broke my GoPro.